What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera crashing issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try force stopping the camera app. So for that, open settings, scroll down and open apps. Now in apps, scroll down and click on camera. Now in camera, scroll down and here click on the force stop icon, and from the pop-up tap on OK. Now after doing this, the camera crashing issue will fix, but if it doesn't fix your issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix your small software glitches like camera crashing. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is clear camera cache memory. So for that, open settings again, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and click on camera. Now here in camera, scroll down and click on storage, and here click on the clear cache to clear the cache memory of the camera app. And after doing this, the camera crashing issue will be 100% fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is try resetting all settings of your phone. So open settings, scroll down and click on general management. Now scroll down and click on reset. Now click on reset all settings, and here again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So after doing this, the camera crashing issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.